Well, I gotta tell you. Alright, girls are sexy. All girls, man. I love the girls so much that, man, I just dream about them. Well, that was a fat lady, so, I was about to kill her, so, yeah, but, you know what? I am watching Family Guy. Holy crap.
It's Stewie. I mean, what's he gonna do if we leave him by himself?
And now to test my teleportation pods.
Oh my god! Oh crap, oh crap.
Monster!
What the hell just happened? Well, he just got teleported by a bear, so I thought he was gonna be teleported by a fat lady, so do that. Let's get out here. But yeah, I gotta tell you, girls are so sexy in my life. And who the hell are you?
Well, I'm a redneck.
Well, that's good for you, fucker.
Oh, well, I'm a redneck, motherfucker.
Oh, shut the up, man. You're so annoying that your balls are gonna get chopped off. And you don't have ladies because I love ladies.
Well, shut the fuck up. I love ladies. Oh, shut the fuck up. Fine. What the fuck? You're gonna get bad.
Yes, you asshole.
Well, my name is redneck.
That's just a language, faggot.
Oh, don't talk bad to me because you're a bitch. Bitch.
Whoa, let me guess, you're a lady.
No, I'm not a lady. I'm a redneck.
Yeah. Yeah, you just told me.
You can shut up right now because you can suck on my titties.
Well, you have titties, that means you're a girl.
What? Oh, wait. Let's rewind that. Well, you can suck on my dick if you want to. Oh, shit.
Well,
Yeah. I got it. I'm like racist right now, so. Yeah, I'm a cool boy, motherfucker.
alright. Really? You want to mess with me? Then fuck off. Oh my god. No, not again. Oh god, I get to get the hell out of here.